Okay. Oh, we are so screwed, guys. Chat, we are so screwed. I can't even lie. We are very screwed. This is not gonna happen. What do we have? Remind me real quick. It's just this guy and he spins, right? Sick. He spins, he moves, he shoots. That's all. Okay, great. Game's done. Whew. Get back to my homework. Okay. So what we need now is the enemies. We need the things you need to collect. Like the win condition. I guess we'll just do like pearls or something. And we need a lot more sprites. And we have 7 hours. Except probably less than that because I actually still need to do homework. And it's due today. And it's great. And it's fun. And everything's fine. Anyway. Hello, Dawn. Welcome. Everything is fine. Nothing is going wrong. Oh, I forgot to... Okay, hold on. There's one thing I forgot to open up. Probably don't need that screen, but whatever. I just need to open up my pixel art editor thing. Yeah, okay. I probably could just show it. Oh well, whatever. We are very screwed. Very, very screwed. So anyway, I'm very optimistic, is what I'm trying to say here. Let me open up all of the things. All the things. Okay. Here we go. So this is what I've done so far. Of course, we got this guy. This is probably the best one. And then I tried yesterday. Yesterday? Was it yesterday? Might have been just Friday. No, Friday. Or later on Friday, I tried doing some more. We got this guy. Oh, and I put him in here twice. I tried making a bass sort of fish with a suitcase. I don't know if it works that well. I think it's okay. This guy I think is looking really cool. I don't really know what this is, but I just made a fish and it seems to work out alright. This one's okay as well. I think it's a bit better than this one. I tried doing gradients because it has a built-in tool for that, which is kind of cool. Right here. It's maybe see. Kind of see it there. And yeah. See, to the thing about your server being a mod with me being a volunteer and that one person having sent a scam message in every channel. I was being serious. I don't understand what you're... What are they, like, advertising for? I don't get it. I still don't get it. Can you, like, give me, like, a rundown? I feel like there's not enough information on that, like, whatever that person put in. I feel like that's not enough information for me to know what it's about. Explain it a bit better. It's a scam link? That's nice. I love that. I love that. So should I delete it? Should I ban them? It's a bot account trying to get people hacked. That's nice. Okay, I'm going to ban them. Is what I'm hearing. I'm going to ban them. Let me see. Okay, I think I understand now. The way you posted like a comment, Don, it seems like you were almost like promoting it. Anyway. No, that's not how I do that. Frick me. So you got rid of them, I'm guessing? Sick. Yeah, you got rid of them. Okay. I'll just delete the last messages. Okay. It looked very scammy, but then what you said, I made it look a bit less like I was... For a second I thought you were hacked as well. The way your message was sent, it looked like it was almost going along with what that bot was saying. Okay, I understand now. I guess. I don't know. What was the message you sent me about then? The Squid-West, we need mods. I'm volunteering for it. What was that about? That was you, yeah. That's someone pretending to be you. Now, if I was hacked, I would have told you already. Okay. Cool. I don't really understand, but alright. Let's move on. So anyway, as I was saying, we got all these fish. Bunch of different enemy types. Probably this one for sure gets in. We'll have to think about these two. I think I work better when the image is smaller. Look at this guy, looks really cool. I feel like these ones do not hold up as well. The main thing we need to get done, though, is we need to start making some enemies. Some, like, spawn logic and stuff like that and all that. I'm hoping I could kind of copy-paste from an old project for most of this. Just for the sake of time. Mafia Town? Yeah. We'll see. I mean, is that... I don't know if that's against the rules or not. If so, I could at least, like, copy, I guess. Or, like, not copy it, but, like, maybe just, like... what word am I looking for? Kind of, like, replicate it similarly, but not the same way. We do check. From Utter Jams, yes, if you have the rights to use anything that wasn't made for this particular jam's loud. Isn't strict on the build it from scratch ruling, but is encouraged. Okay. I think I can copy and paste some stuff from an older jam just to get... Because we're low on time. If we weren't, I would probably do more. But I think if we can just get the enemy spawner and then the like enemy logic itself, just set that up really quick, that would be great. Just gonna make a little square here for a temporary enemy. I'll make him red because he mad. He gonna kill you and stuff. Okay, now get some new scripts in here. Enemy script. Sick. Open it. There we go. Okay. Now we find... Thank you for putting it over there. I didn't want everyone to see all my files. But whatever. We're gonna have to go fast on this. We can get something made and actually like put on to the freaking submitted. If we can get something made and submitted in time, it's gonna be a freaking miracle. This, I do not have a lot of faith. Enemy.cs. There we go. Aha. So what if I Control C, Control V. So, oh, enemy spawner. Ooh, okay, we need to set that up too. They're interlinked. Oh, there's wave behavior too. Oh no, I forgot how much of a mess that was. I see the time of your taskbar. You're definitely 8 hours behind me and 1 hour behind my bestie. Okay. Alright. Good to know. So, if I stream at 8 o'clock p.m., you're gonna have to wake up for 4 a.m. to come and watch. I mean, that's not great. I don't know if there's much more I can do, though. Let's try and stream earlier. I can do that? Great. Sick. You'll be awake. This is part of your, This is, part of your moderating duties, is you have to wake up at 4 a.m. Like, I don't care. I mean, if you got nothing going on. Okay. This is gonna be a lot of copy. I have ADHD anyways. I'm not entirely sure how that relates, but sure. Great, perfect. That's what we need. Enemy spawner. I'm gonna have to revise this. No, not that. What? Okay. I'm gonna have to revise this, cause there's the freaking way that I set this up was really messed up. I remember. Oh, wait. We can probably get rid of this. The reason I did this was because I wanted to have waves in my last game jam sort of project thing, right? I am not gonna need that for this. Let's frickin' go. Okay. Our son is unable to sleep. Okay. I hear you with that. Okay. Fair enough. I mean, I don't know a lot about all the different. Isn't there a lot? There's like a lot of different like types of ADHD, right? I want to say. Is that accurate? Like a lot, it affects people a lot of different ways. That's what I mean. Not different types, but like some people will have like that, some people won't. It's interesting. And wave not in progress. We can get rid of that. Getting rid of a lot of code here. Hopefully it's functioning now. We can get rid of that. Okay. So, let me see if I can remember what everything's doing here. Just to make sure I don't open it up and it crashes everything. That wouldn't be fun. So we have an enemy speed, just 1 for basic something, whatever. Then it finds an enemy spawner of type. It finds something with this code in it, basically, I think. Kinda. And then, yeah, here it is. It finds the type of that. And then every update, the object with type player. And then this is where it tries to follow the player. So every update is going to try and follow the player, slowly move towards them. Sure, whatever. It doesn't use the physics, but whatever, it's fine. And then on enemy killed. Destroy game object. Ah, yes. This, if it collides with a bullet, it dies. And then it calls this from the enemy spawner thing, and that removes it from the list. And then it checks. Okay, we don't need that. Wave in progress, we get rid of that as well. Get rid of that. Okay, there's a lot of wave logic here. We can absolutely get rid of that. The idea was it would try and wait for a wave to end to spawn before spawning new enemies, but I think we can just have it like spawn enemies probably at a slower rate. So like maybe like 5. Maybe like 10, honestly. No, I think it should be 5, but I think it should ramp up. We'll have to find a way to ramp it up. Let's create a serialized field for that. I didn't capitalize the S. Private, float, and this will be rate something. I don't know what to call it. Increase rate. 0.2f. And then every so often it will like. Okay, well let's just look at what we have. So it says the spawn amount. So I don't need this either. Okay, there's a lot of stuff I'm just gonna be able to gut here, which is nice. I could probably still keep this minimum spawn amounts. Where is it calling this? Set spawn amount? Then it spawns the enemies. Probably did that from the wave behavior script. Okay. Update. Set spawn amount. then we'll say we'll need to like just private int min spawn. So just like 1. Yeah, 100. That sounds like a stable number for this game. No. 5. Position. And then this dot transform dot position. We'll see if this works. Okay, it accepts it. That's something. And then okay, we're gonna need some more stuff for this. Then it delays the spawn. Spawn delay is 5. So it'll wait before spawning again. I think something we should do instead is get rid of this and reuse it for something in update. So we're gonna get this, we're gonna put it in here. This needs to get out. I'm gonna copy it and put it somewhere else. Instance, sec. I think it should all work. Okay, I'm just going, man. Who knows what I'm freaking doing? I'm just doing it. Hopefully it works. I think I understand. Gosh, it would be so funny if all of this was just broken. Just breaks, you know? Spawn amount, spawn position. So we don't need that. No. Okay, get rid of that. And then we'll just like rename this to like wait. Wait for spawn. That's what we'll call it. Wait for spawn. And then we need a boolean. Private bool is spawning. And set that equal to false. Is spawning equals true. Then is spawning equals false. Nope. Don't do nothing there. And then we just have a little if statement. Don't do that. If is spawning equal true, then we run all that. Okay. So I think that should work. What is this? Wait for spawn. Is spawning equals true. Is spawning. Oh, that's what we just made. I was like, what? Private void on enemy spawned. Add enemies. Enemy. We do not need any of this. Or that. Okay. We've basically just oversimplified all of that. And we'll see if it freaking works. Does not. On enemy killed. Oh, something in here, I'm guessing. Yes, we do not need that. Sick. We just get rid of that and then we're done. Okay. So first off, let's just test this guy alone. He's gonna start moving towards me? No. Oh, of course not. Oh, I know. We need to add a tag. Oh, wait. Tag's right there. Player. Now he should start going towards me. Or not. He doesn't even die? I'm so freaking stupid, man. Okay, sick. He moves. Kill him. No. He needs to have actual collision and stuff in order to like die. Believe it or not, I know it's a bit shocking. Box collider. There we go. Die. The bullet dies. Oh, I need to. Okay, I need to tag this. Add tag. Tag. Bullet. Then I need to tag him with the bullet so that it works. Not there. What am I looking at? Bullet. That should be right. Okay. Something's not right. Well, frick me. I don't know what's wrong anymore. His trigger? Could try that. It might be the case. Nope. That was not it. So let's look at the bullet. When it triggers a collision with something, it destroys itself. Okay, that should be fine. When the enemy collides with something named bullet, it destroys itself. Did I spell bullet correctly? Yes. That is unfortunate. I was hoping I did not. So I had a notification. Oh, no, I don't care about that. Okay. Sick. All right. So we have stuff happening, but it's not working how we want it to. Why isn't it doing what we want? We won't even take damage if we go into it. No. They still move towards me if I move around and stuff. Yeah, sick. Okay. I'm gonna tag. I don't know why it doesn't work. The bullet has collision, right? Ah. What? What problem? No problem. All right. Love that. That don't make sense. I don't get it. What's your deal, man? You have a collider. Maybe they both should be set to a trigger. That's probably true. Die, please! I don't get it. What's wrong? I don't... What? So... What's wrong? Why no work? Please function. Destroy yourself. That does stuff. Save. I mean, like, if I... The tag is correct. Bullet. Okay, it's time to ask great almighty ChatGPT. Please, oh wise one. What the frick is my problem? If you could load, that would also be nice. Thank you. Why won't the enemy die when a bullet hits them? I bet it's gonna not give me a good answer. There are several oh, yep, nope. Untrigger. Place correctly within the enemy class. What does that frickin' mean? Bullet speed. Fast enough to register a collision before being destroyed. Both have a collider 2D objects. Ensure it is trigger except correctly on the bullet's collider 2D. So the bullet has to be a trigger. I think it is now. Confirm that bullet's object has a tag bullet. It does. Both have rigid body 2D components. Ensure is placed correctly within the enemy class. Let me... They have the collider, they have the behavior, they have the rigid body. So it's not that, that's not an issue. Okay. Is it a trigger? It is. I think I might just try turning it on and turning it off and turning it back on again. That sometimes works. Weirdly enough. It's tagged as a bullet. And then the enemy. Bullet looks like a pill. Well, yeah. Could probably make it look better, but I mean, like, there's also, like, what's the point? It would be pretty easy, though. Maybe we should. Just, like, make a little capsule thing, you know? It does look like a pill, yeah. You're not wrong. Bug slider is there, it exists. Did I actually uncheck that and that ruined everything? Yay! Frick me! Okay. Sick. Now we delete that. Okay. The Among Us shooting gun. I put Among Us. Among Us is the bullets. That would be hilarious. But it also would probably dock me so many points. Because, gosh darn it. Everyone would hate it. Enemy spawner. Okay, so very sick. We'll put him there. And then we'll put the enemy spawner thing here. Enemy prefab is right there. And I don't know, let's see what happens. I need to save. I need to save. I should save. I should save. Last time I did this on the last project I keep talking about. That's kind of similar. I keep reusing the code for it. I pushed play and then I lost like hours of work because because it like spawned too many enemies and it was ridiculous. Not spawning anything yet. Oh, nope, that's a bullet. So the spawn delay is set to 5. Increased the rate by 0.2. That's not doing anything right now, so that's oh well. It's fine, I suppose. ChatGPT, why doesn't it work? It's gonna ask that again, you know. I bet it's something simple. Why doesn't this enemy spawning script work? ChatGPT, go! Go! Infinite spawning, the F8. Good, I want that. You may see it as a problem, but I don't. Okay, thanks. The is spawning flag is used to control the logic and update does not properly. Okay, fine. What do you want? So you want me to start the coroutine in... Oh. Okay. And while it's true, you want me to do all the spawning stuff. Can I just copy paste this? So this looks the same. Wait for spawn no longer exists. They changed it to spawn enemies. Update no longer exists, instead it's replaced with start, and then it just starts the coroutine. And that repeats. And that goes once. Weird. Okay. I want to spawn it more than once. So if it's spawning is spawning equals true, and set the spawn amount. So basically do that. Oh. Yeah, actually, that is accurate. I didn't put this in. Min spawn. Max spawn. Then you'll return new, wait for a second, spawn delay. Ah. No, I think I found the issue. ChatGPT lying to me. That is the issue. It never called this function to begin with. And that logic was just completely broken. Okay, let's see about that. Aha! An enemy! Oh, they spawn inside each other. That's unfortunate. Yeah, you see there's two of them. Now there's one. So they're spawning inside each other now. That's fun. What can I do about that? So the spawn position needs to be more random. What if I did... What's the spawn position? Where am I setting that? Okay, I see. Spawn position. Equals random dot range. I want to see if this works. Yeah, do that. Spawn position dot x plus equals random range. We'll say like from 1 to 10, right? And we'll do the same thing on the y. I got an idea. Okay, we need to put this in the for loop. And then I think I need to set spawn position equals this dot transform dot position. So we reset it every time, then we make it random slightly. Okay, that should work. There's a bit of unnecessary stuff here though. Where do I vector? Okay. We'll just create it here. That's what I'm thinking. Vector to spawn position. Get rid of this here. Get rid of that there. That should all function. Oh shoot, I missed some chat messages. We can all grade at schools. BCs are the worst. My school is Windows 11. It's far worse than 11. Windows 10 is far worse than 11. I read that. I like read that correctly, but I think I said 11 both times. So that was fun. Anyway, I'm gonna test this. And it's German keyword. I hate that. Giving enemies a collision could be a thing. That way they get separated and can't spawn each other. That is, yep, you're right. But look at this now. This is okay. You see, now this is working though. And also, but they will go inside each other, right? But I feel like that kind of, right? Like if they're all colliding against each other, that kind of creates an issue with like space in the map, which might be interesting, but I don't know. I think it might make a bit more sense for them to overlap a bit. Maybe. I'll think about it. We'll have to think about it. That's for sure. But going back to what you were saying earlier, school PCs are pretty bad. Although the one that my school has given me has Windows 11, so to be fair, they did get new ones. So I mean, there's that. It's still really bad though. It's like this tiny little Lenovo that just does not work as well as it should. It works. I mean, it's okay. You know, for what you need it for, usually they're fine. At least in my experience. But if you try and load up Minecraft on one of those things, it is not gonna have a good time. Anyways, with that being said, now I just need to let's make this a prefab. Control C, Control V. I'm just gonna put like a bunch of these around. Put like 3 of them for now. The biggest thing we need to get done now is kind of like create the world, right? Because now we have a game, right? You can play this. You can shoot the enemies, but you can just run away. We need to kind of set some boundaries to stop players from just doing whatever. And I do wonder if like enough enemies spawn, that might become an issue. They also should be a bit faster. So there's that. Okay. We did a lot. How are we doing time-wise? That was 40 minutes. Very nice. All right, we're making progress. We're making progress. Okay. So let's get some like walls in. First off, hold on. I just need to organize things. Spawners. I just like having it where I can just like be more of like a folder system. Remember last stream when that audio in the Santa game? No, No, I'm not using it again. But also, yes, I need to add some audio. I kind of forgot about that temporarily. Sprites. Square. So I'm thinking this map should be kind of big. At least like long. So, X. Yum. Control C, Control V. Put that there. V. Set that back to 1. Put that corner all the way over here. Then increase the Y by a lot. Put that there. Control C, Control V. There we go. Boundaries. Now, create empty. Level bounds. It's a bit unfortunate this is going to be like the second game I've made like this. But just put Moscow in as the theme. Oh. Is that what my music reminds you of? Okay. Composite collider. Where is that collider? Let me... I'm gonna remove that. That's not how I know how to do it. Different collider. Collider. What is it? Edge collider? Polygon collider. So we put one bound there. Another vertex around here. This is for camera boundaries. This is what we're doing right now. We're setting up some stuff to create camera boundaries. So, let's put that up here. Let's see. Add extension. Confiner 2D. Level bounds. So now, should we try and like leave? Ah! We can absolutely do that. Because we're just kind of sick like that. You know what I'm saying? What the frick happened? Those boundaries are not working. What the frick? Huh? This usually just works, man. I don't know. What the frick's the problem? So if we move our little fish. Maybe the issue is that the walls don't have they can just be, we need to add colliders so that we actually can't like pass them. That would be a good idea. The biggest thing we need to like make right now is kind of like the background sort of stuff. Dude, everything just goes out the window up there. Oh, well, it needs to be that. I understand now. That makes so much sense. I was worried this would happen. No, what the huh? Okay, remove that. I gave it freaking physics. I think that's the issue. This is a trigger though. Gravity issue. Exactly. Imagine gravity. Imagine having that. So, okay. And then if I try... I'm gone. My people need me. So what the frick was that issue? I don't have a collider. Fun. I remember to do things, guys. Trust me. Just gonna edit this. Make a little capsule sort of thing for a little guy here. Unfortunately, why is it that this way? You know, they have the capsule set up so it can go like this, but not. I can't push this in at all. It's weird. I hate it. Bugs me. Would a circle collider let me? If so, I'd be a bit upset. No. Move, add. I'm just gonna do box. Yeah, that should work. There's enough like right angles and stuff on this guy. Sick. Okay. The only problem now is the bullets delete themselves. So we're gonna have to fix that. The enemies. Do they have a tag? No. Gonna have to add a tag for the enemies. Enemy. Save. And go back to the enemy and give them that tag. I don't know why I keep clicking on the A sprite. Yeah. I feel like I always pronounce it wrong or something. I'll just Control C. Control V. We change this with enemy. Your fish is British? No, he's part of the mafia. You wouldn't understand. He's done some people dirty. And they're coming for him, so you know, he brought out the old Tommy gun. Shooing them up now. You know, the big boss, he ain't too happy right now. He said that he'd be swimming with the fishies. Kind of irrelevant because he's always swimming. But like, you know, I think he's mad. Had a skibbity toilet get sent to Brazil. No. The ocean has more crime than I thought. Yeah, we need to... Someone needs to do something about all this crime in this dang ocean. Also, is it in the bullet thing? Move speed? No. Is it with the player? I want to make it so I can shoot more often. Slightly. Maybe I just can't. Maybe I just can't spam that well. It's kind of fun. Maybe I should make it less, actually. I think that might be a bit too much. Can't let them have too much fun, you know? We'll go 0.3. That's good enough. Game starts when a pet fish gets flushed down the skippy toilet, has to put the Brazilian walrus to become a Sigma and start. Even if I wanted to add that, we don't have time, guys. We don't have time. We have 6 hours. And like I have to use like a couple of those. I don't even remember what my train of thought was, man. Oh well. What was I saying? We don't have time, I think is what Oh yeah, because I need to have like a couple hours before the jam ends to like actually try and like compile all the code and get it like set up to actually run, you know? That can, like, it doesn't matter if we get this all done and it just doesn't play, you know? It doesn't frickin' matter. Let's add the sprites. Add. What am I looking for? Add. Let me add stuff, please. Let me add things. Oh, okay, here we go. Import new asset. There, that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, I can just do this. I'll go to that one. Somehow that just works. No, put that in the enemy. Okay, we changed this, right? Change it to that. Also, can we, open it. There it is. Can we have no color? Sure, that works. And then we need the collider to actually somewhat match him. There we go. That should be good. Ah, frick. They need to rotate towards the player, though. Probably. I remember when I tried to do that in the last game that it had some issues, so I might just have to have the enemy, like, sprite be separated and then have it be a separate thing. We could maybe try it in here. Call on update and say, like, hey, I want to face the player. Like, let's see this. Let's try it, right? Face player. I feel like we should be able to get this to work. It's the enemy script, right? Yeah. And then call face player. So that gets the vector free. Let's just call this player position. And then game object dot compare tag player. That not work? Is that why? No. Vector free position. Can I just do this though? Maybe? Dot transform that position. New vector to Can I just do that twice? No, what am I doing? That doesn't work. Get tag? Game object dot find object with tag. Ah, frick. How do I find a game object with a specific I can type specific tag. I think I probably should have given him more information, but whatever. Let's see if it does it. Do stuff. Also load. Game object dot find with tag. Also game objects. Okay, find with tag. Dot position. Does that work? Dot transform. Dot position. Frick. So that's okay. Great. Solve that. ChatGPT. What's the problem with this script? Huh?
Riddle me this, Batman. What is the problem with my C# scripting?
I did not need a step-by-step. What is the solution? Equals player... Okay, so... Fine, you do that. I don't want that. It won't be null. Vector free. I think it should be a vector 2. But we'll try it. That doesn't give me an error. I'm running it. That won't. No, I'll see no errors. We run these. Also, we'll see the. Oh, hey, those look kind of cool. Oh, and they're facing me. Oh, it works. That okay. I frankly did not expect that to work. I think I like this gun better when the where was it? When the speed was when I could shoot more. I feel like that's just kind of. I feel like it's like kind of inaccurate, especially with like these guys. They're kind of small. They're everywhere. This is good. This is going good. I feel like. Why can't I move this way? I can't move further left than this. I can actually. Kinda? Why is my movement so messed up? Where's all the enemies? There are so many. Where are they? Okay. First off, the enemy should not be a trigger anymore. I think that will just fix a lot of our issues here. They can't clip out of bounds, then oh shoot. Watch them spawn in is a bit menacing. The enemies are slow, I guess, is the issue. I want them to be a bit faster. Maybe too fast. Shoot, they're coming for me! Ah! Break me! No, die! So if I'm shooting directly at them... No, it does work. I think. Right, I'm shooting directly at them. Well, what if I'm moving and shooting directly at them? Well, then that doesn't work because they move. Right, okay, so I have to leave my shots a bit. That's fine. I was worried I'd mess something up. Okay. Cool. I think what's most important now is we get, like, background stuff in. Like, if this ends up being just like a game where you just shoot down enemies, that's fine, I guess, right? Not like last so long, you win. But what we really need is freaking like world building stuff, you know, sprites, like background elements, stuff like that. Music, sound effects, like that gun needs to make some noise, you know? I'm going to take a short break though. I need to go to the bathroom. Okay. That's all I needed to do. Okay, we're good. I just need to go to the bathroom. I need the piss. Did you know 1981 was the year that Genshin Impact Really? Did not know, actually. That's pretty cool. Don't do that. Another thing, we should probably add the other enemies in here. We got the business bass, which kind of is interesting. And then the top hat fish. And they should all kind of be like, have their own sort of like scripts, and we could vary it a bit. Right now, it's just about getting the like basic stuff in. So what I want to do actually is I don't know if this will work well. I want to make like bubbles and stuff. So new, like 50. No, like 25 by 25. It's going to be a small little like bubble thing. I want to see basically all we're going to do. Let's go here. There. Maybe not that. Then maybe give it some transparency and kind of fill it in. This should be whiter. Maybe still like slightly transparent. Okay. Control Z is my friend. It's my only friend. None of the rest of you guys are my friend. Not kidding. Less. Does that look like a basic bubble? Like kinda. I feel like I can find a good reference for this online though. Hold up. Bubble pixel art. Oh, wow, that's fancy. That is real fancy bubble. I'm looking for something a bit more basic. Okay, so I think I got this wrong. Pick that. Why is that not working? It's not like the same color. Whatever. Oh, because it's slightly transparent, so it's gonna... I see the issue. So we need to do that. Then do this, and then, yeah, okay. Gotcha. So it's kind of like this, and then we have like a bit of a shine sort of effect. Kind of like over here. Yeah, this is kind of what I was looking for. Needs to be brighter. And maybe like we'll have like a little bit more here. Oh, we could add some to the other side too. Like a little. Also make that a bit bigger over there. Yeah, like that. Yeah, there we go. Right? Simple bubble. There's something I like this. It's like a little bit of a like a on this like thing this reference I'm looking at. They have like this little secondary ring inside that kind of is a bit like more of a faded, bit more like faded, like that kind of thing. I don't know if that works as well for what I'm going for what I have at least. There. That's fairly simple, right? Let me open up a chat again. Save as. Move that over here. Bubble. I want to see if I can do like particles for that. I don't know how particles work with Unity. But if I could do that, maybe we could like make them like show up when our characters like move and stuff. That'd be kind of cool, right? I don't know though. That seems complicated. We'll have to see. Maybe we just make like bubble spawners. I'll just kind of like make them slowly float upwards. That'd be something, you know? Anyway, now I have a little bubble. Big thing though. Big thing I want to do is I want to be able to make like a big sort of background for this whole thing. So like basically just like some like sort of like sand at the bottom here with like some stuff, you know? And I want that, like I want you to be able to kind of go into that sand and like kind of collect like pearls or something, which I will probably also need to make. Then maybe like seaweed would be interesting. Maybe like rocks. But we should really make like a basic kind of like, it's probably gonna need to be like 1,000, but like 500. It's pretty big. Does that look right? Needs to be even wider. Sprite. Canvas size. Does not work how I think it does. Okay. What if we did 1,500? That is one extra zero more than I thought it would be. Okay. So that's a 3x1. So we could make it a bit simpler. I want to kind of like minimize this a bit. So 750 divided by 3. 250, right? Yeah. So there we go. That's about the dimensions. Looks like it anyway. Sick. We'll zoom out there for our little preview thing. Alright. And then we're going to need to make this brush a bit bigger. Curve tool? Let's see what we got here. So I want like a big thing here. Okay, nice. Okay, I like that. I kind of want it to sort of dip in there. Nice 5 pings you have on Discord. They're probably all unimportant. Unless they're from you, Don, that your pings are always important. It's a roller coaster now. Frick. What did I do? Huh? Why does it do that? Why is it doing that? Ah, so 4 of them are from you. DM'd on stream, just gonna post some artworks I made. Nice. Those do look cool. Here, I'll like show them on stream. Oh, whoa! That's all you get. You have to go and be friends with Don on Discord for the rest. Look at it for longer. Yeah, right? Or follow them on something. I don't know where they're at, man. Do you post like that sort of art? Oh, I think I understand why that keeps looping like that. Okay, come on. What is the deal? Huh? Okay, do that. Sick. Only in Discord servers, so you gotta be friends with them on Discord. Really, just not that difficult, man. Don is friends with some people. I don't know. I don't know how many. It's for Don to answer. Okay, I can just do a freaking line for the rest of this. It's actually very difficult. Don't tell everyone that. Everyone needs to be like super impressed and like want to be your friend. I don't know, man. I've lost the bit at this point, I think. Okay. So then, done. Beach. Let's go. Beach speedrun any percent. I think we got world record. That's at least my personal best, that's for sure. That's what we're talking about. Yeah, baby, that's what we're waiting for. Woo. Due to the fact one of my besties was hacked before, I have a new account. I was gonna finish reading that, but I have gotten distracted. Okay, here we go. I'm more skeptical about people sending friend requests. I beat your beach percent by 1 millisecond. Frick you. Ah. Well. You're no longer mod. That's how it works. That's how fragile my ego is. Yeah, that's how fragile my ego is. Get got. Okay. So I'm wondering how I would like text. No, that's gonna be awful. Like how could I like texture this? Wonder if I could like add some like that. Just give it that underwater feel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Perfect. That probably should go on another layer though. I don't even use layers that much, man. I should though. Okay, so this is layer 1. Yes, okay. And done. There's layer 2. Lock it. Okay. And okay. So now what to do? I guess we could add like some rocks. You gotta lock in. I'm trying, man. I don't know how to frickin' do stuff. How does one make a boulder? Let's give it like a little bit of jagged edge. Kind of like that. And then it kind of like, yeah, I thought that might happen. Okay, I'm just gonna play with it without that. Let's get like a bit of a darker color. Yeah, okay. Car battery. This one's a car battery falling in your head. That's not nice. Do not approve. Do not condone. Please do not. I will be very sad. You hurt me, this is who you hurt. Think again. No, kidding. No, not there. Okay. Sick. We have a rock. Kind of. It sucks, I know. You do not need to tell me. I am very aware. Let me see what I can do to kind of like improve upon this. It's not just a boulder, it's a rock. That's looking a bit better. This is weird. I don't think that should be here. No, wait. Better? Kinda. Now this should probably go like that, though. And then... Kinda, right? I feel like there's like something here, though. We need to kind of like give it a bit of a slant. Not like that. Kinda? Like... Does this make sense? Am I making Boulder? Is have now Boulder? Is has Boulder? And this is kind of like facing the top, so it should be the brightest, but not that bright because that's way too much. This actually should be like the darkest. Does that? No, well, okay. We need this to be a bit more like obscure. Or navy. Does that work? I don't know. We'll come back to it, maybe. Could try and make some seaweed. Okay. Oh, I'm on the wrong tool. It's like, why isn't this working? Seaweed. What if I did beach pixel art and sure set up just have like an idea? These are all. I don't know. Like, I want more detail on this, right? Could kind of have like a somewhat gradient, like a very slight gradient. Oh well. Seaweed. Okay, that's kind of the seaweed. It needs to be more green, more like a lime. Okay, sure. And then this working? Trying. We'll see. That kind of vaguely looks like seaweed. Let's go. That's so epic. We'll do more like shading stuff in a minute. Just want to outline it because I feel like that will help quite a bit. needs to have like some green going like this and like that. Kind of going for like the center, like a darker green. That didn't help. Well, we certainly tried. I think maybe like a lighter color in the middle would be interesting. Not that light, but yeah. Sure. I don't frickin' know. So what? We have 6 more hours? Yeah. Dang, okay. Man, this is... I really don't do well with these, like, big scenes. I feel like I just lose detail. Like this I can do really well because it's small, I think. Drinks your shades. No, don't do that. You will die. Maybe. Well, I mean, it causes cancer according to the state of California, so... There's that. We'll see if you'll survive. I don't know, man. Let's see. Let's see. Shell. Wow, that was like kind of cool for like half a second. Then it was just kind of lame, cause that was like a dad joke and like everyone was like, "Boo," you know, kind of sucked. What if we like did this to kind of show like that's worse. I will survive on like okay. Oh my gosh. I don't know how freaking bullying queso has become a meme. It's interesting. You know, normally the world's pretty anti-bullying, but I guess they made an exception. What if kind of like did something like that? To be fair, if you like didn't, if you like stopped paying attention to it and getting like so heated about all that stuff, probably would leave. Does that look better? Like the thick black lines, I think better than those, but like I feel like maybe what I should do is just make these lines a lot thinner. Like make them one thick instead. Maybe that would help. Oh, kinda. Looks a bit better. Oh, not there. Maybe? I feel like that didn't change much, actually. Frick me. Here's an idea. I just add like a bunch of specs. Does that help? I think they're too big. I think what we could do is add some shading, maybe. Make it a bit darker for like this area. That might help. And then if we did like this, could we get like a better like transition maybe? And then maybe if we made it even lighter. I think we need something in between these two. And maybe like a smaller brush sort of thing. How's that look? I mean, better, kind of? Right, it's a bit better of a transition, but I don't know. Maybe let's take a pause on that for now. I'm gonna add some lights to this as well, though. I think that would kind of help. Add like a little fin sort of thing here. Nice. Control Alt 4, F4. No, I'm good. No, thank you. I have been on the internet long enough to know what that does, unfortunately for you. My mouse is about to hit my microphone there. Isn't this entertaining? Looking at me paint a nice little scenery here. Isn't this calming? Chat, isn't this just the best content you've ever seen? Oh yeah. Okay, I feel like that looks a bit better, though. I still feel like this seaweed's a bit weird. Bit awkward. You know, he doesn't really do well in parties. I feel like he's always the kind of guy that's just kind of in the corner. You like kind of know he's there, but like He doesn't want to talk to you or anyone, really. He's literally me. He's literally just me. Anyway, that's where he's at. And a small little rock. I want that. And give it a little bit of an outline. I feel like this rock should be a bit lighter. That gray might do well for the shading, though. Bit too much shading. I don't know, is this looking good? Press space to dodge it. That's definitely what it does. Okay, to be fair, the blue kind of haze sort of thing, which we probably won't be able to put on, we'll probably just have to have that be its own separate thing. Looks a bit better. This rock is awkward, but oh well. What does like an ocean floor have? What else? Like, we've got some rocks. Yeah, a bit of shading. If I just look up ocean seafloor. I want like a picture. To be fair, most of these are pretty barren. So I mean, we're kind of like not doing much is kind of working for us here. I feel like what we do have needs to be good. Right. If we go back to seaweed, let me see. I think the color is a bit off. That's something I'm noticing here. I think it's all of it. Let's restart. Kinda have it all be one color for a little bit. So that's not it. Now there's that. That kind of looks a bit closer. It's more of that lime. There you go. Then what I'm seeing over here, it's very droopy. So maybe we do like more stuff like that. Then like here we have like a thing where it's like, oh, there's a piece of seaweed drooping down there as well. But like you can't see it as well. But it's there. Is that looking better? It's, maybe I just need to make it longer. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of that. Put the audio, no, not doing it. That was the biggest complaint, man. I'm not putting that back in. Everyone freaking hated it. Do it. No. I don't wanna. Maybe something that we're missing here is I feel like maybe this. like stem sort of thing should be darker, right? Not what I was looking for. And then maybe make it a bit thinner. The stem itself. Points gun. Whoa, 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 whoa. You see, here's the issue. People are pointing a gun at me when I put it in, so I don't know. I feel like just a lose either way. Might as well take the shot now. I don't know. But I have a knife, so I'm gonna stab you before you shoot. 'Cause I'm just better. That's kind of my plan. I think I made bamboo. Show me the audio. No. You don't want to hear the audio again. You've heard it once. I think your ears have bled enough. You've heard it once for like 0.05 seconds. I wanna. You don't. You really don't. It sounds cool. I think you're delusional. That's what we do on the Squid-West channel. We call our viewers delusional. This looks better, right? Nuh-uh. Okay. Show? Nah. Nah, man. Nah. Don't feel like it. Don't feel like losing however many viewers I have right now. Is it just the one? Don't tell me if it is. Don't tell me if it isn't. I don't really want to know. And that's not how I roll. You have one. I told you not to tell me. Dang it. Frick you. No. It's okay. I'll just pretend I didn't hear that. I have 50,000 viewers right now. And they all are incredibly interested in what I'm doing. Here? You're right. I don't hear. No, man. Yeah, I heard. I don't hear that. Because I could never. You saw yourself because you can't hear text? Yeah, that's why I said I don't hear that. Just pretend I don't hear. I don't hear it. That's why. I was just making an accurate statement about how I cannot hear you. Because we are not in like a Discord VC or anything. I'm not being confusing, you're being confusing. Got him. Let's frickin' go. You just got. I don't know how you're gonna recover from that, but you've done got. You've done got. Get gotten id. My counter, nuh-uh. Dang. You got me there. You got me there. I didn't think about that. Okay, yeah, this is looking a lot better. This seaweed, I'm liking this more. Much more. Maybe I could kind of copy-paste it a bit. I don't know. I don't want to like spend too much time, you know? Again, this stream shouldn't really take forever anyways. I have homework. I do. I didn't finish from last night, so it's today or it's gonna be past due, so that'll be fun. In any case, I think we're about done with this. That's nice. I'm liking this. Really wanted to make sure I enjoyed, or I at least thought that this looked good before I... Does this rock look good? One thing we could do, that'd be really quick. Yeah, add a little bit of shine to it. Does that look good? Make this shine a little bit different. And then make the shading somewhat different as well. Then... Okay. That's looking interesting, right? It's looking like something, you know? It do be a scene. Does that shell look cool? That shell looks like a shell. You know? It do be looking kind of shell-like. Kind of, some would say it's a bit shell-esque. You know? This is that shell core kind of vibe we're going for. Shell core. Yep, that's a thing. You don't know it? Uncultured. I'll make the rules. I wonder if I could like add some like shading around it like a little bit, like it's kind of giving off a bit of a shadow. Not sure how much sense that makes, but I think I like it. This should be casting a shadow. Absolutely, and it should be a darker shadow too. And then, so between those two, let's go with that. Oh yeah, I feel like that added a lot actually. And we should do it to make this slightly darker. Yeah, I feel like this is adding quite a bit. Yeah, well, I mean, like, it's adding some, like, dimension to it, right? This shadow is, I think, the wrong way. Well, guess it... no. To be fair, it really doesn't need to be much of a shadow here anyway, so... maybe just, like, a couple pixels. Also, if the lighting's coming in from over there, then that's probably more realistic in terms of. I just want this to look good. I feel like I've made backgrounds before that I really haven't liked. I want this to be actually decent. So I want to spend a good amount of time on this. Then this should... I am spending way too much time on this, though. Oh. Oh, no. This. Oh, look. 2 pings. Oh, whoa. I wonder who those could be. I have no idea. Wonder why Don is so Just pointing them out. It's almost like they want me to check something in my DMs. Probably not, though, right? Don wouldn't have sent me anything in DMs. No. No. Actually, I do. What? It's kind of crazy, man. This information. It's kind of shocking. I ain't gonna lie. And I just realized I have not put that there. What if I just frickin'... How's that look? Then what if I did something a bit more like that? Kind of like that and that. Then what if hypothetically I made it look even better? Just kidding, I can't do that. Actually, I'm physically incapable of doing anything of the sort. Oh, it needs to be a bit lighter. Okay. You've clipped a string clip. What have you gotten? I should probably... Oh. I see. Does anyone know? I want to hear fun. So yeah, here it is. You posted me... You posted my previous game, the Santa game. The Red Christmas game. Not happening. I'm sorry to say you have not changed my mind. Not particularly. Funny audio. I think I don't want to listen to the funny audio. If I'm being honest. I think it might be too funny for me. I want this to look I want this to look good. It's not. Something about this part just looks wrong. Maybe it just can't be this frickin' wide. Just needs to be somewhat thinner. Maybe. Wow, he's 7 more pings. Oh. Red Christmas prevails. I'm gonna pass. Here. I'll actually make something better this time, okay? I have a different program that I like using more. Background. Okay, sick. Let's also, I want to export this one. Export file format .png. Oh yeah, of course. I don't want the layer 2. Then what if I did file export as foreground for this one. And file. And that. And file save. Then back to the project. If we import those. Background and foreground. Are you using a laptop? Because I see the battery act down. Yes. I have always been on a laptop for all the PC games sort of thing. We'll just put that there, and then we're going to need this to be massive. Even freaking bigger. Okay. I don't dislike that. We'll do 10. Just need to make sure it's always in front. This can just kind of take up the whole screen here. No, that's too much. Let's see about this, though. Laptop buddies. Nice. Ah! These guys remind me of salmonoids. Just thought I'd mention that. Oh, to be fair, like, look at how... Oh, I feel like this definitely does sell. The idea that we're like a minnow, though, because we're as small as this frickin' shell with this. And that, I feel like that kind of helps out here. But I do not like how blurry this background is. I'm going to have to do something about that. Shouldn't be too hard, but whatever, you know. Okay, what else do I have to do? I have to add the thing where you can collect the, like, all different stuff. And that's kind of gets... That'd kind of make the whole thing finished. Kind of like game loop wise. And then I just keep adding on until, like, the jam ends. Only finally bug run happens... Big run happens during Steel Season 2 weeks. Are they like ending it now? They're ending Splatoon stuff now? Dang. They're starting to like slow down with all that, I suppose. I've been going for about 2 hours. I think I'm gonna take a break here. Yeah. Enjoy the beats. I'm going to like take, I don't know, 10-minute break. Just gotta pace myself with this sort of stuff. Alright. Yep, okay, that's working. I guess. I don't know. I feel like when I'm looking at like my microphone audio bar, it kind of like acts weird. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. It like doesn't like update the same way as like my desktop audio would. It doesn't like, I don't know. That's just a weird observation, I guess. Yeah. One thing I do think we should do is have the enemies be bigger. I think it makes more sense to have everything be a bit bigger, you know? Because, oh boy. Because this guy's supposed to be small, you know? He's supposed to be a small little guy. And then also, I think we should rethink our spawner locations now that we have kind of a level layout and stuff. I want them to kind of spawn kind of down here. So kind of where, Control C, Control V. Get another one. So kind of like where you're going to have to dive into to kind of get like the pearls sort of thing. So, yeah. I think that's about. I got a drink, by the way. So got some Dr. Pepper. That's most of what I did. So yeah, it's kind of where we're at. Okay. Sorry. One thing I want to get done, though, is kind of get that background in that I was trying to implement with this. I wonder if it would be better just to kind of have this be... Oh. Oh, it's locked. There we go. This, we kind of like save, export as the foreground. Yes. Yes. Kind of undo that. Show that. Right. And then we kind of import that in here. And have that be more of a background, even though it's called foreground. Oh, it's fine. We can rename it. Import new asset. The foreground that's actually the background, and the background that's actually the foreground. Not confusing at all. I don't see why it would be. I think you're the one that's confused here. This does mean we're going to have to worry about order of all different sprites now, though. Because that's going to be there. I don't want that to be in the same folder there. No. There, that's more I wanted. The background. I want this to be order 1. And then enemies order 2. Fish order 2 as well. Not that. I don't know what that's set to before. Control Z. Whatever. Where's the what was it? It's separate. That's nice. 2 bullets should be on the second layer thing of the layer. And that is about it. I think this might need to be... No, it doesn't matter that. Okay, fine. We're all good. So now we have a bit of a world here, right? Admittedly, it's a big world. I think I'm gonna have to change this, dude. This background, this whole thing here, right? It's just too big. That's the problem, right? It's way too big. And I feel like it kinda gets lost. Can I set the... I think I'm gonna set these to like 0 when I'm done. But for now, let's set them all to free so I can see them. So is this more like acceptable? Right. Still no? Is it still no? It just doesn't seem right. Scale-wise. Huh. Well, I suppose what we could do... It's a nice little thing that this program has. File, export as background again. Then we can resize this to need like 3 times. And then what's nice about that is it makes every pixel 3 times as big. So let's import that background again. And let's put it in there once more. See what it does. Sure. So there it is. Put it at 2. We'll hide that background. And then if we scale this up a bit. Yeah, you don't have to scale it up nearly as much. And that actually fits like perfectly. Which is nice. We might want it to go... No, actually, we have the camera bounds set up, so it doesn't really matter. That's not how it's supposed to work. Enemy is at 2. Right, the background should be at 1. I understand. Okay, there you go. There we go. I think this looks a bit better, though. Oh, we do need a bullet. Something for the bullets. Just something a bit better. We can probably get away with like 25 by 25 for this. Maybe 50. Maybe like a bit more. Yeah, okay. Bit more width. Okay, am I using... Okay. And... kind of have like this little box sort of thing here. Then like a space. Then, you know, the classic bullet sort of shape. Just use that. How's that? I mean, that works. And if it works, it works. Yeah. And then give it a bit of an outline. Thinking too wide. Gosh darn it. I know it doesn't matter. But it's asymmetrical. It's not symmetrical and it bugged me. It was bugging me just a little bit. Alright? Especially since this is like just a small little object. I feel like it kinda... It definitely doesn't matter because of that, but like I feel like I can like it doesn't take too long. And I mess it up again. How did I go about doing that? Okay, here. Let's do that. That. And then, maybe we should have like this. Does that look good? Maybe it would look better like this if it was like this. Or maybe what we should do Just kind of have like a little bit of a transitional value. It's like a nuclear warhead, but that's fine. That's what they all look like, alright? No, I don't want a new sprite. I want to file, save, bullet. And put that in. New asset. Bullet. Perfect. Add a nuke symbol. You know, something tells me that's not really what we need here. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy, but like I feel like that might not be what we want. Nah, I don't know. I don't know, man. Can I edit the collider? Maybe. I don't know. What if we open it? Oh yeah, we need to edit the... We need it to scale. No. So we need the collider to go in quite a bit, right? Let's get the scale right first. That seems a bit closer, and then we change the collider. Okay. So just let us work. Sick. Crazy? I was crazy once. Oh, that looks so much better. They locked me in a room. Rubber room. A rubber room with rats. And the rats, they started talking, you see. You know what I did to those rats, Johnny? You know what I did to them? I killed them, Johnny. Whoa. That was a bit too close for me. Whoa. Hey, we are not close like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. We are not close like that, alright? That's a bit crazy, man. I don't know. I'm putting a complaint with HR. I'm not about that. I'm not about that. Alright. Okay. At the very least, I think this art is a lot better than what we had, you know? One thing though, I forget how to do this. How do I add post-processing? I'll just look it up, I guess. How to add post-processing Unity. Because that, like, really is a game changer. Create an empty rendering. Add a rendering post-process layer to your camera game object. Post. No, I don't think that's right. Is it? Do I have the right settings for it? I think there's something here too. You know, I love how Unity's stuff, I feel like their tutorials on this stuff sucks. I hate it. I feel like it doesn't help at all. Create a global post-processing volume. Package manager, all packages, select post-processing. Do I need to install something? I don't think so. Not for what I was thinking about doing. Layout, no. Add. Is there like a volume thing? Effects? Particle system? Ooh. Okay. let me just mess around with this, maybe. First off, where's the position and layer? Because I feel like that's gonna matter. Like, it's behind the frickin' thing right now. Can I add a sprite renderer to it to make it have like a specific sprite? Like, if, oh, I don't have the bubble sprite in here yet, but let's say I import new asset. It's a little bubble. You know, what would happen, hypothetically speaking, if that bubble was there? I can't tell. Does nothing. Okay, sick. Was it like... No. Okay, remove that. Emission, particle system. Open editor? Now, here's something. Stop. Sure, put it down there. It's just the same thing as here. Okay, never mind. I think that will look good for bubbles. Oh, here's something. Start color. I know I could look up what all this stuff is. I want to kind of just mess around with it. See if I figured it out. So, game over screen should be a jump scare. We have to get to the game over screen, that's the thing. I don't know how much we're going to get done. External forces probably don't matter. Renderer. Aha. No. If I get rid of that, no. Render mode. Material. It has to be material. It can't be a sprite. Dang. Okay. I was hoping you could have like a particle of like a sprite you make. That would be cool, you know? But you're kind of making it seem like that's not possible. Maybe I should come back to this when I understand more what I'm doing, though. How do I frickin'... good. I feel like this shouldn't be as hard as I'm making it. Back to the post-processing thing. Layers, layout. Yeah, I never look at that stuff. Is there a packet manager thing? No, Unity registry, actually. I had it right the first time. Yeah. If I do get to the game over screen, though, I do want it to be a big picture of that loan shark sort of idea that we had earlier. It's like, you lost. Post-processing is a thing you have to install. Really? I swear it wasn't. Am I crazy? Crazy? I was crazy once. You locked me in a room. A rubber room. Is that meme still funny? Or, like, relevant? I don't see it anymore. That much. Then again, I do see, like, one person keep, like... In, like, a Discord server I'm in, I keep seeing someone, like, post that. With, like, 2 people and, like, a rowboat. You know, like, rowing, like... Crazy? I was crazy once. They locked me in a room. And just going over and over again with some, like... I don't know what the freaking music is, but it's like... Something like that. That's when I see the KFC deep fryer. What is handles.repaint? What does that mean? What's that air? Name that air! Yay! Well, I don't know a lot of things, John, but that right there, that's an air. Correct! Yay! Now what? Oh, great wise random tutorial I found online. Create post-processing? I didn't change the scripts. Why is it doing this? I'm just gonna let it do its thing. I don't know what it's doing. Man, you're busy. This thing's busy for 20 seconds. I'm busy for like forever. I'm always busy. Can't stop, won't stop. Imagine only being busy for like 30 seconds and saying you're busy. Frickin' lies. Frickin' get on my level. Add component, search for post-processing volume. Select the volume list, and then do the thing, and then okay. So, is it here? Create empty. Okay, so it's create empty, volume, and add component, post-processing volume. There it is. Is global? Yes. Nice. New volume profile, sure. And then this is, okay, here we go. I know what to do now. Now you can add all these different effects. You won't be able to see them though, unless you're here. So let's like add like a grain effect. I don't know what that does, but certainly does nothing. I do have to make sure Bloom is post-processing enabled. Click the install button. Add component is global. Leave weight and priority is default. Edit layers. Go to layer drop down. Edit layers. Type post-processing. Select the main camera in the hierarchy. Click on the end inspector, add a post-processing layer. We have to set new layer, I guess. Add layer. Post-processing. Select end of. Okay, I got to make that post-processing. Volume. Like, is this working? Because I can't change settings. Add effects. How do you enable post-processing? Enable post-processing in Unity. There's like a checkbox you have to do. Rendering Post-processing. No, that's not it. Frick. Unity, you're so unhelpful, I don't understand. Quick start post-processing. This looks like an even worse tutorial than the last one. Gosh darn it, Unity. Update your website. This all looks so outdated. Ah, trigger. Anti-aliasing. Post-process volumes. I don't freaking know what it's telling me to do, dude. Dude, I don't know. Just use ChatGPT. Level 147 Splatoon free. Get on my level. Okay. My bad. Do I add effects here? No. I want... I'm stupid. Does that work? I can't frickin' tell. I guess we could check by playing it. Does not work. It's like settings or something. Edit layers. Window, job, sources, rendering. If we did yeah, that's not what I want. Believe it or not, not really what I'm looking for. Edit. I don't know. Project settings, is that what I'm looking for? Graphics. Post processing. Is this not what I'm looking for? Okay, you might be right. How to set up post processing Unity? You're right, Don. You're right. It's just easier. It's just easier. Windows Package Manager. Install the post-processing package. Add a post-processing volume. Create a game object. Name it something like that. Add a component. Post-process volume. Is global. Just await and priority as needed. I guess I don't need that. I don't freaking know. Select your camera. Add post-processing layer. Set the layer to post-processing or any custom layer you prefer. Set the volume layer to the same layer. The Is that it? Also, where the frick did my little guy go? Where, like, where is he? Where he gone? Where he go? Where he at? Where are you? I'm so sorry. What the frick are you doing? Okay, great. I broke something somehow. Everything's working on here. Is it this? What am I... What? What did I do? What did I... When did this break? Guys, what? What freaking happened? I'm going back into stream. I'm full screen this. What happened? I don't understand. Why is... Okay, it was showing it like 5 minutes, 2 minutes ago. And then, oh wait, looks like I changed something. I click rendering post-process layer. And then I remove it. Okay, looks like I've... Is it still on here? What if I just... Okay. Oh, and there's a camera thing for this? Oh, shoot. Okay, fix it. Yes, I did. Oh, okay, we're good. Okay, not there. This, here, add effect. Now we can start getting some effects in here. Can I move you? No, not you. Move the fish to kind of like over here. So that I can kind of, yeah, see that. See how it'll look a bit better. I'm on the wrong thing again. I know what I'm doing, I swear, guys. Please trust me. Motion blur? That could be kind of cool. I think I won't be able to see that unless I play it, but... Like, I could be, like, moving really fast, maybe. I don't know how this really works. Am I doing it? Am I motion blurring? Is this the fabled motion blur? I don't get it. One of the, like, ones I use a lot is lens distortion, though. Intensity, we'll turn it up a bit. Kind of gives the effect of kind of like a little bit of a arcade sort of game. Flatten that out a bit. I'll keep that kind of. But now it looks kind of like jumps out at you a little bit, which I feel like is a bit kind of cool. Just a little bit. Due to funny music. Okay, I'll get to the music after this. You're right, though. Well, maybe I should do the win condition first? Maybe? I don't know, man. We're like, very pressed on time. It's very difficult to, like, judge. Like, this isn't gonna be a good game. Mic is microphone, not music. I read music, okay? I'm going to edit your message so that it says music. No. Grain? What does grain do? Well, it actually adds a lot of wheat to your game. That's what it does. That's a fun little fact. Oh yeah, so it makes it kind of... Okay, I get it. And does it kind of like move around, kind of like this TV static sort of thing? Or does it just kind of make it kind of like a bit more grainy? But turn it up a bit more. Looks like it moves. That's kind of an interesting effect. I don't know if I like it. It adds something. I don't know if it's something good or not, though. Maybe we'll leave it on for now. What else we got? Bloom is interesting, I've heard. It's kind of like a light sort of thing. Might not be the best for this, though. I've seen it used more on like light fixtures. I'm going to edit you out of this planet. That'd be kind of rude. Color grading? What does this do? That's too much, not too complicated for me. I don't know what it's doing. Vignette. What is this? Oh, that definitely would help with our like kind of like retro TV effect. I'm gonna turn this stuff down. I feel like that's kind of a bit much. Yeah, I think turn this down a little though. Like maybe just have like the edges and then increase the X intensity or decrease it. Increase a bit. My dad works at risk and could give you a pay cut. Great, great man. Okay, cool. At Rizco? At Rizco? Not Grisco, huh? We're done working there? Well, my uncle works for Nintendo, and he can ban you from ever playing video games again. All of them, like all the games. Never again, and you'll be like super sad. So think about who you mess with, maybe, you know. I'd maybe like give me your fruit gushers. Anyway, let me close all this. Jeez, there's a lot open here. There we go. Just clean that up a bit. You wanted music? You know what? Honestly, that'd be a nice break. Meep box. This is what I'll use. It's just last time I used some other system that I didn't really understand. I suppose we should turn off the music for making songs. And also, I would like to turn up the volume on my TV. I don't know if you guys can hear this. Can you guys hear that well? Do I need to turn it up for you as well? Anyway. Let's see. It's gonna be, since it's like a little bit of an underwater sort of thing, I kind of want it to be like somewhat of a, give that vibe kind of. New Age pad? That could be good. Kind of start with that. I was like, nah. FL Studio? No, I'm not using that. Is that what I used to use? Was that the last one thing I used? FL Studio? Do I still have it? No. I had something. I don't know what I used. FL Studio is definitely not what I used for my frickin' thing. I don't know what it was. It was some malware. You know me. Let's get like some good something. Nah, it's too intense. I like that beat, but I want it to be more drawn out. How'd you even get malware? I didn't actually, no. It wasn't real malware. It definitely was. It was like a safe, right? It was safe. But like, it definitely wasn't like the most popular. It was like a really lesser known thing. I'm trying to talk while also trying to make freaking music. That sounds awful. Chip noises? Okay, I think we could have that kind of come in, but like maybe not for a bit here. The thing that's good about this system is it's good for making, like... It's good for making loops that are kind of good for games. Does that sound kind of interesting? We have it like kind of like slowly come in too. So it's like I feel like we could change the bass probably a bit. And then this is gonna go for all these bars. What do I want here, though, is the question. I feel like there needs to be like a maramba or something, that sort of thing. Or a flute, that could be interesting. Not that flute. Not that one either. Harmonica? Nope. There's some stuff there. Trumpet? Dark quiet, vocal stuff. If we get some choir. Nah. What this? I think I want this to be a bit lower. They kind of clash. Bagpipes? Perfect, that's what I want. Bagpipes. You get the banjo. Let's see. Dude, that is sinister. The frickin' glockenspiel. That is some sinister crap. Ooh, crystal is good. I've heard this one before. What if it was like... Okay, I want to change this a bit, actually. Don't like the beat here as much. So I need something good for that. I think I don't want the jazz guitar, actually. I'm thinking kind of, because like it's gonna be kind of like this. I want it kind of sinister, right? Like all the different things are kind of attacking you. It's not really, shouldn't really be an upbeat sort of melody. So I don't know. Maybe we don't use this, or maybe we. Can I just delete selected bars? No, undo that. Not that. Delete channel. No? I can add a channel? Oh, I didn't know that. Whoa. I guess I can do that. That gets rid of everything. Maybe a different string instrument would be good. Could have the Taco Bell. What's this? Actually, I should sleep this week is the preparation for finals. You should probably do something about that. Ooh, that's good. Need to change this. Maybe not even. Maybe I just don't have one of these. Is there anything that's like... The C-cell one was interesting. Good luck. Thank you. Good luck to you, too. Good night. Well, it's a bit... It's like afternoon for me still, but yeah. Good night. No thanks. What could we do here? Applause. What about here? Does that... Honestly, I think we just get rid of this. Delete selected channels? Yes. I don't think we need that channel. It's just, I don't think it's that great. So here's what we got so far. This kind of feels like the intro. Like this would be a good start screen music. So here, we want to kind of mix it up a bit. So file, or edit, we can copy the pattern, then move up one, and then paste the pattern notes. So it ends here, right? So if we could kind of like make it kind of go off that. Nah. That sounds a bit better. And then we copy and paste again. Paste. So I think I would also kind of like go here and we kind of try and also go down slightly here. And it's just silence. That's perfect. It's exactly what I want. I wonder if we should add another, nah. Let's keep it simple, you know? We only have 5 hours left, dude. We only have 5 hours left. That makes me want to see how long I've been streaming for. 3 hours, dang. It's kind of crazy. You know, I wonder if I should move the Twitch. Ugh. Just because, I feel like there's more people watching live streams on Twitch. But I don't really know Twitch that well. So I kind of like, should I? Moving to Twitch might get me more viewers, maybe. I don't even know. But like, I don't know. I've always liked YouTube. I've always preferred YouTube. You know? So it's just, I don't know. Maybe I could do both. I probably could. I think maybe Twitch has made it so that you can do both. They used to not, I guess. I didn't know that. I don't watch, that's the thing, right? Two, and then maybe we'd like switch that back up. Let's see how this sounds. Like, this sounds underwater, right? I think I want this bit lower. Maybe we kind of like fade out this one and kind of like go on like a maybe like sort of a solo for the crystal. The crystal's really good. I really like the crystal instrument. File, no, edit, copy. Let's put like a little bit here. Paste pattern notes. Kind of ends off here. That sounds cool. Do that twice. Then file, not copy the song URL. Copy pattern. Paste pattern notes. And then I think we kind of do a similar thing, but going sort of downward now. And here I want to kind of fade out before going back into this section kind of again. Then, so edit, copy, edit, paste. And then we want to kind of copy this as well. Paste it again. But this time I want it to kind of be a very slow pattern. So, we got for this section. Then all of this kind of comes back in before going out one last time. So then kind of back to the 4 and back to the 5. We'll see if that works out. Because it has to loop. I want this to be slow. That feels kind of sudden still. Maybe just have it be like... Maybe we fade this one out instead. And do a 1 and 1. I feel like we're not building up to this fade enough. I feel like we can't... Maybe we do 2. That loops well. I need to go to the bathroom. This is what happens when I drink too much soda. Be right back. Alright. Nope, don't get rid of that. Okay. Let's do what we can to finish this up. I don't have a lot of time. We got 4 hours left of this. 4 hours left, and I am not going to use all 4 of those. Thank goodness. What we need right now is get the music in. That's priority 1. That's what we're going to do first anyway. We need to get a win condition. And then what else? Maybe make it so that you can, there's like different enemy types and stuff that probably wouldn't take too long. What else? There's got to be more. Let me think. Well, I mean, let's look at it real quick. That might help. We've got the post-processing. Oh, it shows up here? I didn't know that. Huh. I mean, it looks fairly good, I would say. I think it looks okay. Given the short amount of time we've had. I think it is what it is. No matter what. Oh, the other thing we need to have, like, title screens, game over, that sort of stuff. And then, like, a win screen. We'll see if we get to that. It might just be, like, really freaking basic. We might just have to be like, hey, we don't got much. Here's freaking this basic little thing of, like, hey, this is, like, where we're going from, and where we're going with this whole thing, and this is kind of, like, the idea of the game, and that's kind of it. You know? We could also try and implement the particles again, but I don't want to do that right now. Okay. So. Man. I'll tell you what, I'm tired. We've done a lot. We have done a whole lot. And we've been going for 3 hours. It's a lot, you know? I mean, I think I've gone for longer on my own, but streaming this too it's a lot. A lot of things going into that, you know. With that being said, let's just finish this out. That's all we need to do, really. Let's just get something finished and get it out. It's not gonna be the best, but gosh darn it, it's what we get. Can I export this, please? How do I export it? Preferences, file. I forget. Why don't I remember? Preferences, file. Huh. Okay. That's interesting. Instructions. New import. Oh, export's right there. It is right there. Under the sea. No, wait, we can make it worse. The sea. Sick.wav file. Under the sea. Under the sea. It could be better with it, better. I don't know how the freaking song goes. I'm gonna get copyright striked if I keep doing this song anyways, so who the fuck cares? Audio. Import new asset. It's probably just in downloads. Hold on, let me do this on my own thing. I'm gonna show you what I've been downloading. Okay, it actually wouldn't have shown you freaking anything. I mean, I figured, but like, can I get like an audio source? That's what I'm looking for. under the sea, and then play on awake and loop. And then that should just be it. I don't think we need any logic. Any script logic. Sick. So yeah, that's fairly basic, right? We can definitely deal with that. Are the boundaries, I wanted to check. We good on those? I feel like those might be a bit iffy. So I can't pass room. Can you? No. Looks like that's a no. Sick. Sick, 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 sick. Oh my gosh. Stay back. Stay back. I feel like that's all a big step up from my last song sort of thing. It's good, right? Like, it's not bad. At the very least, it ain't bad. Good, you know, it's something. It's something. That's what we got, alright? One thing I should figure out how to do at some point is make it so that, like, it scales well with, like, wind. Like, the whole, like, game kind of scales with, like, your window size. I don't know how to do that. Unfortunately. I have no clue. Should figure that out at some point. Not today, though. So we should create a script for like some collectibles, and like maybe if you push E next to them, you get them. And that's kind of the big thing. What would be kind of interesting is if they like randomly moved around, maybe. Dude, I don't know. We're running low on time, and I'm running low on energy for this, so we're in the mode of let's just try and push something out. That's where we're at right now, unfortunately. It's never a good thing, but it's where we're at. It's where we're at. We could just do, like, kill enough enemies, and you win. Frankly, I kind of just want to be done. It would just publish this. It wouldn't be hard, you know? It definitely wouldn't be hard to just give up now, and I do have homework. To be fair. Maybe I need maybe a longer break. You know, I've never done a stream this long. I have never, or not a lot, you know. Yeah, I might do that. I don't know though. Like, will I even have the motivation to continue when I come back? That's the real question. Well, here's the thing. I think I want to keep working on this, even if we don't finish it in time for the jam, you know? Maybe we just push this out for the sake of having something for the jam, you know? And that way I can take a break, too. And, maybe I can update it if, we end up having, like, enough time to, like, be like, hey, actually, I kind of want to do more of this. Or like before the jam ends or whatever. But I think I do want to work on this more. I like the idea. I think it's funny. I think the world and stuff we've created is kind of cool looking. I think with a bit more care, we could definitely flesh this out. I am really lacking motivation right now, and I do have other things I really need to get to, though. So I think we'll end it there. With that being said, it's going to take a little bit to get this to build. So, switch platform. It's the first thing I gotta do. I will get this out, and you'll be able to play it on itch.io. I'll put like a thing in the wherever. We'll make a little website for it real quick. push it out, and be like, hey, we got a bit of a game here. Just kind of like a demo, I suppose. I want to do more of this. I'll do more of it later, right? That's kind of what the idea is. Unlike a lot of the other projects I've done for these game jams, like this one is actually pretty fleshed out right now. Like you can definitely see there's potential. I feel like it's a really funny idea. I feel like it's something I want to keep doing and keep working on. So I think I'm gonna come back to it. All right. I guess this is one of the two projects I have working in the works right now: the tower defense project, and then this. But yeah, 3 hours today isn't bad. I'd go for longer if I didn't have homework to do. But I do have homework to do, and I feel like that's more important. I know, crazy idea. Crazy idea. I feel like the homework's more important, so I'm gonna go get to that. I'm gonna take a break, then I'll get to that, because I'm tired. With all that said, yeah, that's where we're at. Let me close out of all these extra windows. Yeah, save. Go ahead. What else could I close out of? I guess I can close this. I mean, it kind of stays open in the background anyway. But yes, absolutely, we're coming back to this. I know I've said it like a couple times now. Just making sure we're all aware. Editors importing assets and compiling scripts. You done now? Okay. Give it some time. I'm gonna keep working on this. I don't know what we're gonna like make of it. Maybe we just finish it to the degree where we wanted it to be. Like what our original vision was. Maybe it goes beyond that. I don't know. Maybe we end up making something bigger. Maybe like a level-based sort of like game. I don't know what it would be though. But I do kind of want to like flesh out the, at the very least, the sprites and all that. And also the sound effects, and just a general gameplay loop. But I want something out for this jam, because I keep doing like projects and then not getting them out in time for the jam, like before the date ends. And this does have late submissions, but I want something out, you know? Build. Alright, let's see what we got. New projects. Yeah, select that folder. Yes. Okay, has to compile again. I'm gonna put up the BRB screen real quick. I'm still here. I'm still here. Hey, no. Still here. I just want to make sure it doesn't show anything I don't want to show. So, yeah. Oh, I have to make the schedule for this week, don't I? The stream schedule. I'll tell you what I'm thinking right now. I'm thinking tomorrow, this is a gaming stream. I think Wednesday, game dev. I don't think we do anything Tuesday. And then I'm kind of up in the air about the last 3 days. I don't know. Kind of iffy. Think I want to make sure I do at least like 3 game dev streams a week. So maybe another one Friday. And I would do another game jam throughout the weekend, but I haven't seen any that are interesting. How about let's look at that real quick. We got nothing else to do. We have nothing else to do. Let's see. Next weekend would be the 31st. Alright. Flounders Jan, build a game. Okay. Just look at the itch.io stuff. Let's see. Micro Jam 15. Ghost. Kind of interesting. Cash prizes? Okay. That's interesting. That's nice. I like that. I don't think I'm gonna win, but hey, there's money. Maybe we do that. That sounds like fun. So it'd be from the 31st to the 2nd of June. So that would be about as long as this jam. So there's that, you know. And yeah, that sounds like a good plan. So game dev stream Wednesday, and then maybe we take a break Thursday. Nah, maybe, and then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We'll do gaming stream on Thursday. Okay, that sounds like a plan. It is still going with the compiling thing, by the way. Yeah. All right. Excuse me, by the way. This is what I get for having too much Dr. Pepper. But yeah, I mean, it takes a bit to build stuff, so.
Makes sense.
In any case, I probably, you know what? I think we should probably end it here. I do kind of want to, like, show off, like, me, like, putting it onto the thing, though. I don't know. What else could we talk about? Yes. The videos. One thing I want to do is start making videos weekly, sort of thing, throughout the summer. So I think this week we'll have like a video talking about it would probably be a video going through like the tower defense game that we've been working on and all the stuff we've done with that. I already have stuff downloaded for that, and I think I'm gonna start getting to work on it. I've just been busy this weekend. This weekend's been really busy, you know? Wasn't expecting it. But yeah, I'm hoping next weekend won't be as busy. Yeah. If it is, I think we'll still do the same sort of stream schedule. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, at 3 p.m. But we might not do the jam if I'm a bit busy. We'll see. Because I know next week is going to be busy for me. No streams next week. Dude, the bar is like so close. But it is like still not there. Well, all I gotta say is we tried, we did good. With the time I had, I think this is about as good as I could have gone. If I had planned my like homework a bit better and stuff, maybe we could have done more. But it is what it is. It is what it is. I've seen this before. There's like a jam that I've seen before popping up where it's like, take any of the ideas from past jams you didn't finish and work on them some more. I wonder if that is something I could enter into with this as well. That could be interesting. The secret cult horror jam. That's interesting. It's mini jam. Let's see next week. A lot of these jams end up being like, or at least it just takes up a lot of space. There's not too many of them, but there's like a lot that are like months or like a month long or like a couple weeks. I don't tend to like those ones. It just makes it easier for burnout. I feel like to get burnt out in the same project because you're working on it so much. I don't know. I just didn't have a good experience with the first one I did. That was the long one. I tried to do teams. I did feel like there wasn't a lot of help from the other teammates. Listen, if they're watching, I'm sorry, but that's what I felt like, okay? Accurate or not, you tell me. They did do stuff, though. Just felt like I did most of it. Maybe I'll try another team-based thing, though. One where I'm, one for, like, maybe a shorter jam. With, some different teammates. I don't want to blame the teammates though. Like a lot of it was my my own like lack of motivation and like school and other stuff I was just busy with, you know? Dude, it is so freaking close. It has been here for the past like 5 minutes. Is this what I get for post-processing? Is that what this is? Dang, okay. Did not know. It's that difficult. I think I'll just kind of chill. I've said all I need to say at this point. Let's just get it done. I'll be back once it. I guess I'll be back once it's done. Bye. I get the feeling that it's stuck. It has not moved. It is at the same thing. I'm just gonna do this off stream, post it on a community post, because this part can take a while. Oh, is it done? Never mind. I stand corrected. Where did it go? Did it go into build? Dude, I don't know where it went. I don't know where to say it. I don't know where to say it to. Which is kind of bad. Is it Ocean Jam? Dude, I mean, it's gotta be build, I guess, right? So template data, full screen button, power bar, blah, blah, data, build. We'll see. We shall see if this works. Alright, submit my project. How many have worked on this game? 1. Just you may list your name. Oh. Squid-West. What software? Unity. Oh, it has all of them. Okay, A-Sprite. Visual Studio Code. Visual Studios. What else? I guess we can show this part, you know? Visual Studios, beat box. How do you incorporate the limitation? The fish, the main character, is a minnow. One of the smallest fish in the ocean. Okay, maybe not smallest. Not smallest, but they're really small. They're really small. A really small fish. How many cookies do you eat while... Mantra question. Utter sweets. Very important question, I see. I'll go with like free. Upload game. Minnow Mafia. Short description. Minnow. Our favorite minnow mafia is under some trouble. Is in some hot water. He needs to kill his way out. That is not... Nope. That's a short description. Alright. Game. Downloadable? Nope. HTML. Released. We'll say it's a prototype. $0. No payments, please. Upload files. Ah, yes, I need to set it up as a... Where did it send me to? Hold up. Ah, for the last game I did. Let me compress the zip file. Let's go minnow mafia.zip. Okay, upload. Sick. I'm hoping this works. We played in browser. Enable page. This game was made as a submission for whatever jam it was. It's gone now. Mini Jam 159. Mini Jam 159 Ocean. Didn't have a lot of time to work on this project, so it's in a very unfinished state. No win condition. No win condition. No win condition. Minimal. And not really much going on in general. I want to finish it up. Yeah, up on my own time though, so if you want to follow the project, though, if you're interested in the idea and want though, so if you're interested in the project and want to follow it, my YouTube is Squid-West, same as itch.io. Thanks for the opportunity. These jams are always a lot of fun. Sick. Should probably have my chat stuff open. No genre. Genre should be shooter. Tags, I'm not gonna worry. App Store links, nope. Comments. Let's just draft it right now. Let's view the page. I don't know if it's gonna work. Oh? That says Red Christmas. I might have done the wrong thing. Might have made a mistake. That is the wrong game. Okay. Delete. Then where the frick did it save it to? I told it save it in this Unity folder. Here, okay, so if we go build. Is there like a build and template data thing in here too? There's template data. That does not work. Maybe that's it though. Or what if it saved it somewhere on here? Does not look like it. Shoot. File. Open project. No, that's not what I want. File. Build settings. We do build. Where does it say? Unity games. Yep. Dude, I don't know where it built. That is unfortunate. Shoot. So I think I found the index.html document, maybe the template data. I don't see the build, though. Maybe... Oh, hold up. Idea. Okay. We're going to create a new folder. I think I figured it out. It's going to be build lowercase. No, okay, fine. New folder. This is going to be renamed. No. Rename. No, not that either. Rename. Minnow Mafia game. Oh, did it already put the things in there? Okay, sick. Oh, okay, I did do that. Yeah, okay. Alright, new folder. Don't worry about what I'm doing, man. I think I figured it out. Put template data into there as well. It just seems like they just didn't like put it in like a specified folder. So it's just kind of all scattered throughout this sort of thing. Unfortunate. But I think I've compiled it all into something here. Now if we compress to a zip file, like that, I think we have something here. Not that one. Can close that. Let's try this. Please, 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 please. Ocean Jam. Yes, that's it. It's the right one, at least. Break me. Okay, it works. Sick. We'll make it public. All right. Now back to the jam. Submit my project. Existing project. No, it should save. Let me refresh, maybe. Submit my project. Minnow Mafia. There we go. Squid-West. Software used. Unity. Sprite. I think I spelled that right. I'm going to check. Really? There's no S here. So it's Sprite. Sprite. Use of limitation. Main character is a very small minnow. Cookies eaten, free. Submit. There we have it. All right. Then I think this looks like a cool jam. I want to try it. This one I was talking about earlier, ghost theme. I like that. I've never seen like a theme like that. So here it is. Looks pretty cool. Think we'll try it this next week. Oh, see all submissions. They'll be available after the game jam. Okay. I submitted, right? It's been submitted. Is it submitted or not? If I go my dashboard, Minnow Mafia. Don't even have a frickin' page for it. Oh well. Let me close out of all of my extra tabs that I have open at this point. Slowly but surely. I can also close out of this, finally. Waiting for it to finish executing. Sick. Okay. So anyway, here's the game. I will make a little post about it, and we're gonna keep working on it. But yeah, that's where we're at. I did submit it, right? I can't tell if it's submitted or not. Let me refresh, maybe. It's still telling me to submit. I don't know, man. Oh, looks like it's not letting me submit again. Saying either submit one of these two, so it's not letting me submit the... So you can submit multiple things? Is that what I'm hearing? Oh, okay. In any case, that's gonna be it for the stream. I think we'll try and go for this one next week, next weekend, if we got the time, and hopefully that goes a bit better. See you guys then, and I'll get that schedule and all that. Post the community